6:15 minutes, but first we're checking traffic and weather together, brought to you by Irvine Auto Center. Here's Lou Stowers.
Let's start this one off. Our SIG alert in City Terrace is still working, and this is on the 10 East at Soda Street. All lanes are blocked for a multi-vehicle crash that is dangling over the bridge, and they're scratching their heads trying to figure out how to get that out of there. East LA on the 10 West at the 5 South, the car crashes over on the right shoulder, and the 10 West to connector to the South 710, that has been reopened after a police incident. Then in Montecito Heights on the 110 North at Avenue 43's on-ramp, this is for a car on its side and people running out of the vehicle. Look out for a ladder in lanes in Sylmar. This is on the northbound side of the 5 at Roxford Street. Then in Garden Grove on the 22 West at Magnolia, look out for a pickup truck that slammed into the center divider K-rail. And in Pomona, the east connector to the 71, look out for an electric vehicle that is juice. CHP is trying to find a long extension cord. Now let's see if we can find that. There we go. Stop searching for that one-of-a-kind car, truck, or SUV, hybrid, or EV and start driving. At the Irvine Auto Center, you'll find 12 of the top domestic, import, luxury, and exotic brands. Turn your search into Drive, where the 5 meets the 405 at Lake Forest Drive. Irvine Auto Center. The next report's coming up at 11:25 in the Irvine Auto Center 24-hour traffic center.
A coolish day leads to a coolish night, and temperatures will drop down tonight near 60 degrees with widespread clouds and fog expected once again. We will see a pattern shift, though, as we head into Monday, and a warming trend will get underway. Offshore winds will return and will heat up back up. Temperatures will be in the mid-80s for the valley on Monday and upper 70s in the LA area and down into Orange County, but we will heat up by Wednesday near 90 for the valleys as well as into the Inland Empire. Temperatures into the LA area mid-80s by Wednesday. A little bit cooler for the second half of the work week as yet another cutoff low works on in, and that marine layer could bring in some drizzle. With Southern California's most accurate and dependable forecast, I'm CBS 2 meteorologist Alyssa Carlson for KNX News 97.1 FM.
Fontana, 61 degrees. Glendora, 63. Huntington Beach at 62. And in Sylmar, it's now 60 degrees at 11:17. Massive surge in warehouse facilities in the Inland Empire is being blamed for creating problems for nearby residents.
There are more than 4,000 major warehouses in the Inland Empire, ranging from small sites to million-square-foot facilities run by other importers. Cities are now starting to impose moratoriums on construction of those complexes because of concerns about diesel pollution, traffic issues, among other things. Susan Phillips, a professor of environmental analysis at Pitzer College, says action by individual cities is not enough to solve ongoing problems.
We need a regional pause. Right now, all the decision-making is in the hands of municipalities that are kind of starved for cash. Like, they all want money, they want to increase their tax base. I think we need to find ways for those cities to get money in other ways. I think we need to bust through this myth that either you have good jobs or clean air.
Residents are hoping the state legislature may step in with tweaks to existing laws that may help them control the growth of new warehouses before they permanently damage the quality of life in neighborhoods that have been there for years. Pete Demetrio, KNX News, 97.1 FM.
It's called the Center for Biological Diversity, and it's welcoming new guidelines laid out to local governments in California aimed at mitigating wildfire risk when considering new development projects in fire-prone areas.
It establishes what should be a bare minimum of things that local agencies should look at before they adopt projects that may have wildfire impacts, according to Peter Broderick. He's the legal director of the Center for Biological Diversity's Urban Wildlands